I'm going to show you a little trick on hooking up some of these LEDs. This works for me anyway. Make sure you got an open end, something where you can get your shrink wrap over. On motorcycles, things are always moving around a lot, and you see how minute these wires are here. So after I get them soldered into place real good, okay, and I'll take a little hot glue, JLT, just like that, and hot glue. Well, why do I use hot glue? Hot glue, when it gets hot, it gets pliable. That's the only thing that moves around. It will start to find the holes and reseal. As you'll see here in just a second, man, we're going to put shrink wrap over the top, but I still have to let this cool down, flip it over, and put some hot glue on the other side as well. But you want it to seal. Now, not only does it seal well, but what it does is when these wires, if they get to bending back and forth like this here, it keeps these metal connections from touching. And that's the big reason why I do this. So now we'll flip this over, and the back side doesn't take as much, just enough to get down in between those wires, so you can create a separation that will stay. And again, I have lost my tool. It's okay, we've got one here. Yeah, I just can't do this with one hand, is the problem. And I don't know how. Don't know how to do it any other way, but using two hands. Sorry I didn't get to see that, but so I'll peel that back. And when it's all said and done, it will look like this right here. Nice, professional, and clean.